When I started, I thought that I couldn't do it. I told myself that who am I to make money online, and I don't have any qualifications, and I never done anything in the online space before. But I was tired of waiting for payday like it's some kind of lifeline, tired of skipping bills, tired of seeing my husband coming home exhausted, and I'm feeling helpless. Knowing that I really want to help, but also I don't want to give up being home with my boys. And I used to look at other moms making money online and just told myself it's so easy for them. But until I realized the only difference between me and them, they started. If you are that mom right now, stressed, scared, thinking you can't do this, hear me out. You can. I started with zero experience, zero tech skills, zero degrees, just a 2 hour a day system that allows me to learn and earn at the same time, still be present with my boys in having days like this. And now I'm helping other moms doing the same, building a business that brings in 100% profit without sacrificing what matters the most. My friend, if you want to learn more about the system that I follow, the same system that took me from being stressed out to start earning in dollars, put a word me in my comments and I will love to say all the details with you.